hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.4k. Unnecessary rhyme, but I love it and I would really appreciate it. But today's video is something so exciting that I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to dive right in, because we are going to be unboxing the LUSH Fresh and Flowers box for the first time ever, and I'm so excited. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram and things like that, which if you don't, you definitely should, it's all linked in the description, but I always have thought about subscribing to this box and I was umming and ahhing for ages, similar to the kitchen box, and I just thought, you know what, you don't have bills to pay really at this point in time, you don't have a house yet, so just treat yourself, let's just do it, let's subscribe to this box as well and unbox it for you guys. I basically have done this for you, so I hope you guys appreciate it, because this box is £35 including postage. It's not overly bad, I don't think. I think it is a nice price compared to some other boxes. It is still quite expensive when I consider that I've bought this one and the other one, because that's like £70 a month just on this, but I hope you guys appreciate it and I hope you guys love the video. So yes, without further ado, let's dive in. Here she is. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox this for the first time. I've basically cut this bottom piece just to make it easier for on camera, so let's go. I don't wanna kind of guess, but it does smell a little bit lavendery. I could be so wrong. It could be something completely different, but it has like a lavendery smell. Could be wrong. So this is what it looks like inside. You get fresh flowers, I believe, with most boxes, and we have some fresh aloe vera, and I'm going to put all that in some water, but this has been in my fridge, so no idea how it's going to survive, but we're going to try it. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to go through all the products. I'm so excited. This is so fun. I'm just really impressed that I've spent £35, do you know what I mean? So the first item in the box is this. This is the putty for your hands, and I'm just going to read off the how to use. So this says, finally use putty for your hands, a gentle soap-free wash for hands, feet or body needing a little TLC. And I'm just going to go through the ingredients. So this has cornstarch, talc, glycerin, porridge, marshmallow root, fair trade shea butter, lavender oil, chamomile blue oil, tea tree oil, rose absolute. So I'm going to give this a smell. I have a feeling it's going to smell very Angels on Best Skinny, but let's just have a little smell anyway. Okay, yeah, this definitely smells like Angels on Best Skin. Really lavendery, really strong in like the chamomile. That's lovely. It's so fresh, and it is wrapped in what looks like plastic. It's not plastic. You can actually melt this down with boiling water, so love that. Really pleased with that. Definitely something exciting. I was hoping to get a cleanser, I'm not gonna lie, but obviously this is something different, so I'm excited to try it. And if you guys want to see any reviews or kind of my thoughts and opinions on any of these products, let me know. I always will put these on my Instagram anyway, so if you haven't followed me on there, make sure you do, because I might start doing more in-depth and more in detail stories on my Instagram, so let me know if you'd like to see that. But yeah, really impressed with that so far. The next item in the box is this. Now I guess this one would be the Golden Banana Salt Scrub, and it says how to use for the rest of your body. Gently work the banana scrub in circular motions to wake up any sluggish areas. So I guess this is not for your face. That smells really fresh. Obviously it's like a fresh box, that's a really stupid thing to say, but it's got a very fresh, like, I don't know how to describe it, porridgey smell, I suppose. In terms of ingredients, this has oat flour, fine sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, fresh banana, gold clay, which is kaolin, cream of tartar, tangerine oil, lavender oil, sandalwood oil, olibanum, resinoid, and rose absolute. That does smell really good though. Definitely got like a fresh, like real banana smell to it. Like it's not kind of like a fake foam banana sweet kind of smell. But that smells really good, and it's definitely really crumbly. I'm probably going to put this in a pot, but that does smell really good. I'm actually going to have a bath tonight, so I might use it, because obviously all this is super fresh, so you need to use it like pretty sharpish, but that smells really good. I'm really excited to give that a try. The next item is something which I've not actually seen in anyone's videos before, so I don't know whether this is a completely new idea. I have no idea. But this is the toner ice cube. So it says freeze before use. So I will go and pop this in the freezer after this video. But this says begin by popping your little toner block into the freezer, take out when frozen and gather the rest of your products. So essentially this is a toner that you freeze and then you do all your kind of skincare routine and then you just rub it on, I suppose. It's really cooling. In terms of ingredients, this one has lavender flower, hibiscus flower, saffron and Roman chamomile flower infused in rose water, hibiscus something which I can't pronounce, carrot juice, rose. Okay, I can't actually smell this because it needs to stay sealed, but that does look really, really cool. I don't know if you guys can see. It's got a beautiful flower inside. I'm really excited about this. I think that's such a cool, different idea. I've never seen anything like this before, so I'm so excited to give this a try, and I can't smell it, so I have no idea what it smells like. But again, I'll put this on my Instagram for sure because that is so different and fun and I love that. The next item in the box are some of the iPads. Now I do believe you get these in most boxes. Let me know if I'm wrong, but these are the Sunny Days iPads and they have saffron infusion, aloe vera gel and carrageenan extract, and these look so cute. Okay, let's open these up. They are pretty much jelly, which is a very odd texture, but here we are. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm excited to use these. These look so fun. Look at these. Oh my god, shut up. They've got a smiley face on them. Can you guys see that? I love that. Okay, this smells super subtle, floral, obviously, like just really clean and light, and I love how cold they are. This has obviously just come out of my fridge, so they are beautiful and cold, and I'm so excited to give those a try. I've actually never tried the iPads before, so I'm very excited to give those a try, and I know that my mum has tried the, what ones are they called? You know, the green ones that you can get in the stores? She's tried those and I believe she liked those, so I'm really excited to give those a try, especially with my face mask on and my toner. I'm just excited to try it all, but yeah, absolutely love those and I'm just very, very excited to give those a try. And the last item in the box is the face mask, and this is the Skin Soothing Porridge Fresh Face and Body Mask. Now I'm not going to lie to you, I'm awful with skincare at the moment. I will always use the same products. As you guys know, I am currently trying to shrink my LUSH skincare routine and my LUSH collection in general, but I'm trying to get through everything as quick as possible. These I find really hard because they have to be used within 3 weeks. It doesn't actually say a use by date, which is odd. I believe it's 3 weeks and it was made on the 9th of the 8th, so in about 2 and a bit weeks I need to use this by. But let's open it and see what it smells like before I check the ingredients. I imagine not the texture I thought it was going to be. It kind of looks like Cosmetic Warrior. I thought it was going to be more Otifix textured, but I'm really glad it's not because I just feel like it's not thick enough for me. That smells good. This smells like a mix of Angels on Bare Skin and like something citrusy. It's definitely got something in there that's giving it like a, I don't want to say a twang, but it has got like a, I don't know, like a fruity situation. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Okay, this has porridge infused with lavender, honeysuckle and elderflower, calamine powder, honey, chamomile blue oil, sandalwood oil, rose oil, lavender oil. That's probably what it is. It's got to be that sandalwood like smell to it, but that's really, really fun. Look at the texture. Wow. Super stretchy, super gloopy. I cannot wait to put this on my face. I'm actually going to use this tonight. So again, check my Instagram stories and my highlight. I have a whole LUSH highlight, which I really need to shrink because it's very, very long. But yeah, this is, I'm very excited. How fun. Okay, so that is everything for my first Fresh and Flowers unboxing. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video and let me know down below what you thought of all the products. I'm really, really impressed with the box. You got 5 items, some flowers, some aloe vera, and for £35, considering they're all fresh ingredients and freshly made, definitely worth it in my opinion. Obviously you don't need to subscribe every single month. You can skip months, I believe, like you can with the kitchen, so it's very, very kind of loosely subscription subscribed. That makes no sense, but you know what I'm saying. It's a kind of very free subscription service. Overall, I definitely would recommend subscribing to this box. I really enjoyed it, and I love how fresh and different each of the products are, so I'm so excited to give all of this a try. Make sure you guys follow me over on my Instagram, because I definitely will be putting up reviews and things on my highlights of all these products to kind of give you guys an idea of how they worked, what they were like, and everything like that. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do. And also, obviously, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it, and we are on our way to 9.4k, which I would love to hit this year. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!